So we've got a 200, a 170, a 140. We need to do a review on this. We need to do one of these someday. We need a plasma cutter. I think we're gonna rock with the big 140, boys. We're gonna go on and open up the welder now. Let's open up this welder. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and unbox this welder. Okay, so you've got your directions. I think that's for the different size wire, and then it looks like 2 tips. Open and close. Your regulator. I think that screws onto there. You've got some wire. This is 70S, that's 030. 71 TGS, that's 030 as well. Looks to be packaged very good. Ground cable gas hose. Finally, something was labeled for us beginners. The disrespect. These people not teaching me. Trying to make me go to welding school and then go buy my hard fret welder. Okay, so here is your gas hose. That will go to our gas, which I think will run 75-25. Here is your ground. Now, the meat and taters. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I'm gonna take this inside of here. Is your gun. Okay guys, so we got the welder on the cart. So we got the cart put together, got the welder on the cart. All we need now is our gas, and we'll go get that here in a couple of days. So far, it at least is a clean setup. While we're here, let's go ahead and open up this helmet. So we opted to go with the red helmet, and it has a couple extra cool settings. Other than it being red, there actually was some reasons that I bought it. So this one has a setting for grind, which pretty much just turns everything off. Not that it's on anyway. Go ahead and adjust this to as big as it gets because of my big ass head. Or maybe I just now took the whole screen out. Yeah, I think I just now accidentally took the whole screen out. So maybe this has a film on it. Yes, this has a film on it. Okay, so that means that this goes back in there. Idiot. There we go. Okay. And it came with an extra lens, so that's kind of cool. So it's got sensitivity knobs on the side and a cool finish. Looks really good. I mean, for 55 bucks, who can really complain, you know? So there's the helmet. Alright guys, and that's going to pretty much wrap up today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Comment down below if y'all have any tips or tricks for welding or anything that you want to recommend. Any kind of tools or anything that you need to have around the shop if you're going to be welding. Love hearing from you all. Love hearing suggestions. So anyway, get in those comments down below and go crazy. Always remember, everybody starts as a nobody, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.